สวัสดีครับวันนี้เราทำผัดกะเพราเพราะว่ามันอร่อยมากเพราะว่ามันเผ็ดมาก So today we are cooking pad kapow, which is stir fried basil, and it is so delicious, and it's so spicy as well. And this for me is my second favourite Thai dish behind chicken fried rice, because nothing is ever going to beat that. So chicken fried rice first, stir fried basil. Right, now I know many people would have misconceptions about stir fried basil. Oh, stir fried basil, that doesn't sound nice. But believe me, it is absolutely delicious. Most of my family, this is their favourite dish when I do it not spicy for them, because they can't handle the spice that I have acquired over the 6 months in Thailand. So let's get cooking. So the ingredients we are using today for pad kapow stir fried basil. We've got salt. Now that's to flavour the water for the rice. Oyster sauce. That's to add the colour to the dish. Fish sauce in Thai, Nam Bla, as this is a Thai dish, so we are going to be teaching you a bit of Thai. Then we've got our oil, Naman. Now currently we are using sunflower oil, but you can use sunflower oil or vegetable oil. We've got our sugar at the back here, known as Nam Tan. Yeah, just have to remember that one there. Rice, which is cow. We've got our pork seasoning, trusty friend in Thai cooking. We've got our MSG, monosodium glutamine. We've got our chilies. That will just add the spice to the dish and make it as beautiful as it is. We've got our 2 cloves of garlic, but the garlic depends on how spicy you want it. Same with the chilies. The garlic is used to match the spiciness of the chili. So for me, I'm going to be making it very hot with lots of chilies. So I'm putting 2 garlic, in there. Then we've got basil, kapow, which is pad kapow, pad stir fried, kapow, basil. Then we've got chicken, guy. Now, equipment, got our red cutting board. We won't be using the green one because we're not cutting any vegetables up really. And we've got our mortar and pestle to crush the chilies. Now, mortar and pestle is one of the main tools they use in Thai cooking, so I recommend you get it. The link will be in the description for you. Then I've got this little container pot. What we're going to be doing with this, when I cook, I like to put all the seasoning into the pot and then add it in one go to make it a bit easier and a bit less stressful and manic when you're putting them all in. So you're not having to like do and then add another thing, do it all again. It's just less stressful. Now we have got a meat cleaver. Now one thing I must say, it is extremely sharp. I have cut myself 3 times. You need to be extremely careful when operating this knife. The reason I use it is because this is one of the main tools that I use to learn how to cook, and I wanted to I wanted to have one when cooking, but just remember it is extremely sharp. It is very easy at cutting you, so be careful. So let's get on with the cooking. So guys, we've just put the rice on, and we're not going to show it in this video because it's just cooking rice, but you know, don't need to show it. First thing we're going to do, chicken. Beautiful. And again, the only meat I eat. I hate the fat on it, but we need to get this down really fine. So it cooks quicker when it's really fine, and the Thais do it really fine as well. But if you go into a restaurant, if you ask for chicken, it will most likely be in big chunks because they don't expect customers to come in and ask for chicken for pad kapow. The standard meat is beef, and they'll have prepared beef for pad kapow, not chicken or pork. But we need to get this really fine. Now one way I like to do it is I just like to go hell for leather on the chopping board. Then you can test if it's done. Gets a bit sticky, doesn't it? Test if you're done, just use the knife. Just like try and pull it away. That looks alright to me. So that's it for the chicken. On to the next thing. So we've just finished the chicken. Now it's time for the chilies. So the first thing you need to know is how to take apart the chili. So it comes like this. You need to buy these ones because they just mash up easier. So what you do, you get the end of where it meets the green and the red, snap into the mortar and pestle. We'll start with 2 and then, no, we'll start with 3 actually, yeah. 2 red, 1 green. Then we'll put the smaller one in. Now what you do is you just mash it. It is quite loud. Right, so that bit's done now. I'll finish off the rest of the chilli and we'll come back to you later. So the chilli's now done. Looks very nice. Now let's do the basil. So we only want a few sprigs or whatever it's called. I don't really know. Right, what you do, just grab and put it into a pot so I don't forget, because silly me, I always forget to put the basil in. You know. Right, let's go. I think I'll put about 6 leaves. It's leaves, there we go. Nung song, nam si ha. Hog. Set now. Right, that's finished. Now, seasonings. So, get your MSG. Only a pinch of that. Half a teaspoon pork seasoning. Half a teaspoon of sugar. This wok's a bit too heavy for me, I think.
It's quite warm, I like.
Yeah, it's a good wok, but it's a bit too heavy for me. Just because I'm weak.
Top tips.
Buy a wok that is lighter than you can handle, because otherwise you're like, ugh. You'll be feeling like Captain America trying to don't matter. That's the first thing we do, is we put the chili in. So chili in, mix. Another top tip, cover your mouth. I can't even do that because we've just bought a new mic, so hopefully the sound levels will be better for you. Oh, don't forget the extractor fan. I forgot how it works again. Is it this one? Yeah, I don't know. There we go. Oh, God.
Hey, you can't tell, mate. Quite strong.
As always. But I like mine very spicy, as you say in Thailand, ped mak. Then add chicken, way off we pop. And then mix it in as well. Now we're gonna try out a new feature, a time lapse of the chicken, because we realised you don't want to see 10 minutes of chicken cooking. So So Dave, keep recording and we'll do the time lapse later. Right, we'll start the time lapse after you sneeze. Tell me about it. Oh. Toxic, innit, lad? So now we're ready to put in the seasoning, fish sauce and oyster sauce. First one I do, seasoning in. Mix. The pork seasoning usually adds a bit of more colour to it. Mix. Oh my days, this is too hot, this. Fish sauce. As much as you want, add saltiness. Try. Oyster sauce. Oh, every time I speak, I can't. Oyster sauce.
Oh no.
Sorry guys, sorry for the accidental death scene nearly caused. Oh. Oh. Right, now for the basil. Today, we're not forgetting it. In it goes. Done, we just need to plate it up. So take it off the heat. I've already taken it off and then we bag up the rice. So turn that off so we don't forget. Which one is it? That one. And then drain the rice. Oh no.
That was bad.
Scissors. It's a joke, this. It takes too long. We're missing Arm's love for this. First episode. Wait, first episode? Yeah, probably, I don't know. Scissors open. Just remember that, we're killing ourselves. Missing Arm's love for you guys. I hope you appreciate this. Empty rice onto the plate. Done. Move salt. Plate up. There we go. Pad kapow. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and sorry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I can't do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the videos and the channel. It means the world to us. We are so grateful for the initial support we have got over these past two videos. Thank you so much for supporting us. Goodbye, see you next week.